Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nagiah binti Alias
and Anika binti Abdul Rahman.
We are from Group L04P1 Semester 3 2030. Today we are going to run an experiment about convection of heat transfer.
Okay. For the theory, convection is occurring because we can observe the movement of the colored water within the liquid. Convection transmits heat through the movement of molecule.
This is known as natural convection, and it is a strong function of the temperature difference between the solid and the fluid. Blowing air over the solid by using external devices such as fans and pumps can also generate a fluid motion. This is known as forced convection.
Heat energy transfer between a solid and a fluid when there is a temperature difference between the fluid and the solid. This is known as convection heat transfer. Generally, convection heat transfer cannot be ignored when there is a significant fluid motion around the solid. The temperature of the solid due to an external phase such as fluid buoyancy and induce a fluid motion.
Today we are going to run an experiment about a convection of heat transfer to prove about the convection.
Okay, today I want to show you, all of you, the material should be have in this experiment. First, include the four of the glasses. This one. Next, food coloring. Then the dropper. Next, the glass container, the transparent one, and then this cool water, then this hot water, and lastly a tap water. First of all, place 3 glasses on the table, then fill the container, the transparent container, 3 to 4 cm from the top with cool water. Okay, then place the glass container. With the water on the top of the 3 glasses, beneath of the 3 glasses. Okay. Next, allow the water to settle after filling the cool water in this container. Then, next step is insert the pipette to the bottom of container 3 times and place drops of red coloring equally at the right side, center, and the left side. First, let me show you all. This is for the right side. The next is for the center. Next, for the left side. Okay. Fill 1 glass, this glass for the empty one, with the hot water. That one. Next, place the glass of the hot water. Next, place the glass of this hot water beneath the center dot. Beneath the center dot, this one. Okay. Observe over the next minute. Okay. Okay, after 5 minutes, the color is start to spread up over the whole container. This is because the heat transfer occur between the different temperature. The hot and the cool one. Okay. The addition of food coloring, this one, to cold water in this container allows us to observe the movement of the water. As the temperature difference between the two containers decrease, convection begins to slow down and then eventually stops when thermal equilibrium is reached. This is showing that when the colors is spread equilibrium in this container.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Lukman Hakim.
And my name is Muhammad Shahri.
We are from Group LO4 P1 Semester 3 2030. Today we are going to run an experiment about conduction of
Material we are using our heat source, which is candle, metal needle, lighter to heat the candle, and glove or something that we can handle the end of metal rope, which it is being heated, and aluminium foil, and the last one is knife to cut the candle. Okay, for the procedure, the first step is we cut the candle into small pieces, or we call it as wax, and we take this metal needle. Take the metal needle and hit under the lower region of the wax and stick it to the metal needle. Okay, after we finish sticking all the wax, this is what it looks like. Make sure we stick the wax firmly so that it will fall down.
Before that, it was recommended that the wax must be placed in the same distance with each other, and also not to forget to use the same size wax.
Yeah, after that we light up the candle and stick it on the aluminium foil and wear this glove. And hold one of the needle in a glove and hold the other end close to the flame.
After for a while, we can see that the wax will slow melting, starting with the piece nearest to the flame, walking down to the furthest pieces.
What we see here is the last piece of the wax that is still stick on the metal needle. It means that the energy will be transferred down to the road toward the colder end, because the higher speed particle will collide with the slower one, with a net transfer of energy to the slower one.
Not all substances conduct heat at the same speed. Metal and stone are considered good conductors since they can speedily transfer heat, but wood, paper, air and cloth are poor heat conductors.